What is up, my beautiful campers? Today I have a very fun video. I want to do my makeup before I do another video, but I thought, why not have the makeup be fun? So I saw this video from a creator. I'm gonna try to see if I can find them. I know I saw them on Instagram, so I'm gonna try my best to see if I can find them. And I'll put them right here. But I saw them do like a color randomizer for their makeup, and they had this palette, and I have this palette, so I was like, wait a minute, I can do that at my house. Like, I can do that. So we have a color randomizer on the screen, and I'm gonna be randomizing colors, girl. Okay, let's do it. First randomized color, we got, oh, we didn't say what this was for. This is for foundation. Blood orange. Okay, foundation is gonna be blood orange. Okay. Okay, all right, let's jump right into it. So I'm gonna get this orange right here, and it's a blood orange. So we're gonna do a little bit of orange, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of red. But oh my god, this is gonna be a lot. Okay, all right, get into that orange color. Let's just go. Oh my god, this is gonna look so fun. Right now, it just looks like I got a gnarly sunburn or something. I think this is better because now you can also see the wheel, you can see me. So first we're doing our foundation orange. This better not stain my face, girl, because I'm not gonna be happy if it does that. I'm also gonna go into the red, and I'm gonna go into the orange, and I'm gonna try to like mix them together, because technically we are supposed to be blood orange. I feel like I should have wet this little thingy before I started. This is very hard to blend, I'm not gonna lie. It's because these are like not necessarily meant for foundation, but here we are anyways. Girl, let's go for concealer. What is concealer gonna be? Indigo? Girl. Oh my god. Okay, I guess we're doing indigo for the concealer. Oh my god. Conceal my ass. Look at that. It's gonna look like I got punched in the damn face. Okay, now let's do our contour. Purple. Purple is for the contour. Okay. All right. Gonna go into the purple of this palette. Ugh. Let's do it. The girl that did this, I'm not saying she rigged hers, but like she got a really good combination of colors, and here I am looking like a damn zombie. Okay. But it's okay. Okay. This contour came out. Well, the contour in its own right is not correct, and it's very wrong, but yeah. Okay. There's our contour. Now, what's the next thing? Let's do our eyes. Let's do eyeballs. What type of eye color are we going for? Let's go to palette. Girl. Black eyeshadow. Okay, one more. We need two. So we need black eyeshadow and dark green. Okay, so black and dark green. God fuck it. Okay. Let me go get my palette. Okay. The palette I'm going to be using is the Love Lust Disco Foil Play from NYX. I got this years ago and I never use it. So might as well use it today. I just realized I forgot to put anything as a base, but oh well. Girl, I look psychotic. I don't know if this is, like, I want to trust the process, but I don't know if I really can. I feel like this color wheel is doing me dirty, but it's okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the green of the palette. That's why I picked this one, because this one has both black and like a darkish green. We love to see it. I'm gonna grow up to be an astronaut. Girl, I look so tired. I look so tired. Like, I don't know who this is, but whoever she is, she's very tired. Let's spin for highlight. Because I have a couple highlights that have a couple different colors on them. Aqua? That doesn't look very aqua. That looks more green to me. We're gonna spin again because that looks green. I have green, but I don't have aqua. Purple. Okay, this I know for a fact has a purple highlight in it. So I'm gonna use that. It's Pink Magic, but it's very clearly purple. It's purple. And we're gonna use it as a highlight. What should I have my inner corner highlight be? Purple as well. Okay. I'll grab this purple. I'm not gonna lie and say it looks good. I'm not gonna do that. But I kind of get the vision a little bit. Like, I'm kind of understanding it. Even if it's just a little bit, I kind of understand it. Okay, now we need lips. What are my lips gonna be? Black, girl. We got that. We got that. I'm coming. Okay, got our lipstick. Oh no, this one doesn't have a... It doesn't have a little foot, but it still works. You know, for this being such a hodgepodge of colors, I honestly don't hate it that much. I don't hate it that much. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy. Okay, now we're gonna pick an eyeliner because I really want to do my dots and I kind of want to do, like, you know, I want to do a little bit of extra stuff. So let's see, what's our liner? Black? Should we do it? Fuck it, let's do it. A little black liner. And now let's do our dots. Honestly, I feel like the dots kind of make it. For this being a randomizer, I don't think we did that bad. Granted, am I gonna walk out like this? Most definitely not. But I don't think it's that bad. It doesn't look that bad to me. Like, put my hair down, you know, put on a hoop. Like, it doesn't look bad. Like, I just kind of look like an alien woman. You know what I mean? She's not from here. And I'm not. Look. I'm like an extraterrestrial that decided to hang out with cholas or something. I don't know. I kind of like it. I do not despise this look. I love how my eyes look like I'm super tired and like I haven't slept for a million fortnights, but still kind of a look. It kind of eats a little bit. I don't know. I don't know, maybe I'm just feeling myself. Alrighty, you guys, that is all for today's video. I tested out this little random makeup generator, color generator situation type deal. And I don't hate the way that it came out. I just find it crazy that the colors that we got are the colors that we got. But honestly, like, it's not terrible. Like, I don't look terrible. So there's that. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let me know down below, you know, what other types of videos you would like for me to make involving anything really. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great beautiful day /week/month. Bye. Love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.